What is the difference between impressions and clicks within your Google Ads account? So if you're new to advertising within Google Network with Google Ads, maybe you'll have a question of what does it mean, impression and clicks. If you look at this account, we have impressions here and clicks here, right? So impressions is the number of times your ad appeared. So when somebody was searching for the keyword that Google matched with the keyword within your account, and they show the ad. So showing the ad doesn't mean somebody clicked on the ad, but ad did appear on Google. And Google counts number of these appearances, and this is called an impressions. And the clicks are the number of times people actually clicked on the ad. So when they clicked on the ad, came to a website, these are the clicks. Now, why these numbers are important and why Google is showing it to you? Because when you have number of clicks and when you have number of impressions, you can calculate the click-through rate. So how many people actually clicked on the ad. And the higher the click-through rate, the better it is for your campaign, because click-through rate is something that Google takes into consideration when they're calculating the quality score of your account and of your keywords. And that's why higher click-through rate is indication of the good performance of the account and the good performance of your campaign. So that's why you have to pay attention to impressions and you have to pay attention to the clicks. Now, if you want to see it visually, if we open Google up and if we just searching for some, say for example, some local plumbing company, let's just search plumber Sydney, doesn't matter, Parramatta. So see, this is the ads that are coming currently within Google Ads, and all these ads are appearing. We're not clicking on them, but Google will count these appearances as an impressions. All right, hope it makes sense. If you have any questions about your current Google Ads account, maybe you have not happy with how it's performing, feel free to leave a comment under this video or contact us through the link in the description. We are running Google Ads professionally. We hope we can help with answering your questions and maybe do something with your account and help you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.